Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you guys are good and safe. So today's video I'm gonna take you guys to a shop called as Daiso. So this is gonna be a shop tour, okay? So Daiso shop. So most of you guys may be knowing about this shop if you guys are living here in Singapore. So what's special here is that whatever you purchase from this shop, it is just going to cost you $2. It sounds amazing, isn't it? Yes. So whatever may be the things, it may be like beauty care or stationery items, or like kitchenware or garden items, anything you take from the shop, it is just going to cost you $2. So 100 rupees for everything, okay? So yeah, so let's get started. And before that, I also have a work, like I need to go to a nearest community center here to get my Trace Together token. So previously here we have been using Trace Together app, and if you're like going to any of the shop or malls, we just scan through that camera mobile. So from May 17th it is not possible, so it is a must to have our own token. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to the community center to get my token. So I have to like show them my IC and they will give me the token. So that's basically the procedure. So let's get started with that as well. So if you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe, and also don't forget to click the bell icon nearby so that you guys will be instantly notified whenever I'm uploading a new video. So let's start exploring today.
So guys, I reached the community center to get my token, and here I'm standing on the queue, and this is the view beside my queue. So when I see fishes, I go crazy. I really love fishes a lot. So you guys know about it because most of my videos you guys can see fishes, aquarium and water, because I really love fishes. So right now I'm at the back of a very long queue. So I'll show you guys the queue here. You guys can see here it's a very long queue, but then it was like moving very fast. So here is a Trace Together token. So this is what I have to carry anywhere now I go from now on. So this is how it is. So it is very easy actually. It's a Bluetooth kind of thing, so no need of phone, no need of any other identity card or anything like that. So with the token we can go anywhere. So this is how it is, okay? So after getting the token, I am now on the bus and I'm right now going to the Daiso shop. So after some like 15 minutes from here I'll reach Daiso and I'll show you guys the Daiso tour, okay? So today we are going to a mall called as SSC, so Sembawang Shopping Complex, okay? So this is where we are going, and inside which Daiso shop is located. So it's not that only here Daiso is here. Daiso shop is everywhere, like in most of the malls there is Daiso shop, okay? So this was one of the nearest shop for me, so we came here. So yeah guys, I reached and this is the mall. So this is SSC mall, okay? So it's a very busy and active mall, and most of the time this mall is very much crowded because there are a lot of shop here. So that's one of the reason which I really like about this mall. I just love people and like to see the crowd and all that, because 1.5 and almost like 2 years we are stuck inside the home, so I almost like people and all that. So I just like crowd actually. So this mall is a little bit far from my home, so I think this is like after 1.5 years I'm coming to this mall. So this is the shop which I was like talking about, Daiso Japan, and this costs like $2 for everything. So you can see here, so all these ceramic cup, it just costs just $2. So you can take anything from here just for $2. Okay, you can buy almost everything for your home from here. So starting with the electronics, to snacks, and all these kitchenware. So these are ceramic bowls and they look so pretty. You can see here glass bowls and all that. So Daiso is famous for glass bowls and cups and all that. So here you can see spoon, so wooden spoon and everything. So these are like water bottle and pickle jars and all that. So I bought a pickle jar from here. So the next video is going to be my pickle making with mango, because these days it's mango season, so I'm gonna make mango pickle. So if you want to like decorate your kitchen with beautiful ceramic cup, plates and bowls, you can get from here. So these are like strainers, spoons and all that. So this is like plastic area, tiffin box and all that. Okay, so you guys can see here how beautifully they have arranged. So kitchen plastic, so these area are for like kitchen plastic items. So these are like oven essentials for like cake making and all that, like measurement cups, mold and all that. And these are books, paper, A4 sheets and all that, and bag and something like that. So you guys can get almost everything from here. So these are like laundry hangers and clips and all that. So this Daiso shop in SSE Mall is like very big. So almost everything for your home you can get from here in very very affordable price. Like whatever you take, it's just $2. So this is like garden essentials. So if you like, you want to make a good garden, you want to like decorate your garden, you can buy all these things from here. If you have a spacious balcony, you can like decorate with all these things and you can like make your garden look so beautiful. So artificial flowers and all that. So this is how Daiso is. So all these are like tools for your garden, all these things you can see here. So almost like everything you can get from here. Okay, so next I'll show you guys all these hat and socks and all that, these area. So if you want to get hat, it is just $2 you can get from here. And this is one of the most beautiful section of Daiso. So these are earrings, everything just for $2. And nail art things, this is one of my favorite section. And you can see here all earrings, nail polish, and this time I was like really surprised to see this, an eyeshadow palette with 6 colors, almost like glitter and the normal color. So it's just for $2. I can't believe this. And then highlighters and everything, almost everything you can get from that shop. So it was a good tour and I hope you guys would have enjoyed watching it and you guys would have definitely got some idea about it. So if you guys live here somewhere nearby, you can go to the shop and buy your favorites from here. So after a good purchase and a good lunch, I'm returning back to my home. So I hope you guys would have got some idea about Daiso shop, and if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to like my video. Okay, so yeah guys.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you really did, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching guys. Thank you.